Alright, today let's implement the concept of file level security. So in Fabric or Power BI service, file level security is implemented through workspace permissions, meaning giving access to entire reports, datasets or dashboard is controlled by workspace membership and roles. So let's for this we'll be creating two workspace, one for finance team, one for sales team. Let's click on new workspace. I'll give a name finance report for the finance team and click on apply, leave everything as default. And there we go. Our workspace for finance team is now ready. Now similarly, we got to create another workspace for sales team. I'll click on new workspace, right, sales report for sales team. I'll leave everything as default. I'll click on apply. Now since both the workspace are created, I need to assign permissions or roles to the team members, I'll say. So I'll demonstrate for this tutorial just for our sales report or the sales team. Similarly, you can do as a homework for finance team as well. So let's create basically one report out of our data. From the new item, I'll go to the report and I'll paste manually data because I have the data on my local computer already. So this is basically the sales data. I'll just quickly copy this. And since there are 3 columns, I'll just expand this into 3. Click on the first column, hit Ctrl V, and there we go. Now let's change the data type for it because this is the numbers, whole numbers we have. So let's click on whole number. Here we have just the text part of it. So this looks good. I'll create auto create report. Let's create a report for our sales team because this is the sales data we have. All right, looks good. So let's quickly save this report. Please make sure this is for the sales team, right? So we need to save it here under the my workspace under the workspace sales report. So let's give a name like sales team report or something. Now let's click on save, and there we go. Our report is now saved. Now let's move to our workspace. So I'll show you one by one. This is our finance. This is empty as for your homework. For sales team, the sales table and the report we have here. So in order to implement our file level security, we need to now add team members to this workspace, especially the sales team members we need because they need access to the entire reports and data sets, right? So let's click on manage access. This we are familiar already. Now let's add people or group sales team people. I'll click on add people and let me search and add the sales team member who will be looking into the reports and data. I will select the required role. Let's say the reporting team needs the contributor role maybe. So I'll add this. Now let's click on add. We can add multiple number of sales team member as well. I'll click on add for now and it says added. And now let's verify, and there we go. We can see the sales team member is now having the contributor role, and similarly we can proceed for the finance team as well. So that's what implements the concept of file level security. So here the outcome is the sales users only see sales report in the sales workspace, sales report and other things, right? So that's what the file level security is all about. Users only see files in their assigned workspace. Unauthorized users cannot access files outside their workspace. So that's what it goes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let's meet in our next lecture.